Have you ever felt a place before you even see it? Not just heard about it, or not just read about it, but truly felt its presence, as if it was calling you. That is the minor basilica of Our Lady of the Rosary of Manaoag. They say, if you pray to the Virgin Mary of Manaoag with a pure heart, she will hear you, and sometimes she even answers. But did you know? Did you know this basilica, this sacred place, has survived more than just time? In the 1600s, a farmer was walking through the hills early one morning. Suddenly, he stopped. He saw a blinding light, and with it, it's a woman standing on a cloud, holding a rosary. She said, "Build me a church on this hill, and I will bless this land." A fire burning the old church, but the image of Virgin Mary remained untouched. During the World War II, bombs fell on the church, but they never exploded. Coincidence? Coincidence, right? Or sometimes divine. I remember standing inside the basilica, candles glowing, people on their knees. People on their knees, a mother praying with tears in her eyes. A student clutching rosary, praying rosary. Praying rosary before exam. Different voices, same hope. They were just praying to a statue. They were speaking to a mother who listens, a protector, a miracle worker, and even now, they say she still hears you. Manaoag is more than a church. It is a promise. But no matter who you are or how heavy your burden is, you are not alone, because there is the Virgin Mary beside us. Viva Apo Bakat! Viva iti ina iti Manaoag!